Hello there, we have for you today a 2011 Holden Captiva 5-seater. It's the 2.4 two-wheel drive automatic. It's had a bit of a tap on the front, taking the right wheel off. I'll start it up in a second for you. There's one of the compliance plates there, January 11. Here's the main one over here for the VIN number details. Got LE5 2.4 engine, two-wheel drive automatic. Start her up. It's done 49,884 kilometres. Airbags haven't been deployed in it, so it's got good cloth seats. You can see there, I'll go around the other side there. Doors had a little ding in that door. It's got a couple of wheels, tail lights, tailgate. This will open up for me. Won't open, I'll come back to that. Two doors on the side here, a little tiny mark on the door there. Standard there. Running board, mud guards, had a little chop in the front there. I think the engine running. Bonnet's got bent there, so the bonnet's no good either, unfortunately. So it's a few doors and running gear. I'll just turn that off. See if we can open the tailgate and have a look in there. There we go. The parcel shelf. Or retractable cargo blinds rather. There's a spare wheel in there, unused. Jack kit. There we have it. Holden Captiva. Now being dismantled, all parts for sale. Need any parts for your Captiva? Give us a call on 4646 1733. We'll help you out there. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.